In this video, I wanted to go over my Soundz Customz audio system that I have on my 2016 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Ultra here. So I've got the carbon 65s in the front and the rear speakers. That's the only speakers, and then I'm running their amp, which is the 4.100. That's mounted inside the fairing. I do have an install video all for this if you haven't seen it yet. I'll put a link to it in the description or whatever, but I did the full install on this bike by myself. One of the biggest questions I get asked is, well, what does it sound like at speed, or what does it sound like with aftermarket exhaust, or whatever. So today we're gonna do that. In this video, I'm going to do a 30-mile-an-hour sound test so you can see what it sounds like just at like normal speeds through town and stuff. I'm going to do a series of videos at different speeds, so be sure to check the rest of the videos on this playlist for that. This is at 3 bar, and yeah, we're just going to get kind of going down the road here. I'm just leaving work, so we're on a gravel road. I'm going to get going about 30 miles an hour. And we'll kind of do that 30 to 40 mile an hour range for this video, and then in the next one we'll do some sound clips at 55 miles an hour, 55, 60. We'll do a couple different tracks so you can kind of get an idea what it sounds like, and for the most part I'll probably be running this about halfway volume. And then in the third video I'm going to do some interstate riding, so you're going to get that kind of 75 to 80 miles an hour audio sound. The mic is inside my helmet. I'll probably have the visor closed. I'll try to do some with it open. I'll let you guys know what's going on. But without further ado, let's just get rolling. This is copyright-free music, so I don't have to worry about getting a copyright strike or get my video taken down or anything. So you probably won't recognize any of the tunes, but you'll get an idea of the different kinds of music. So this is 20 miles an hour. Not quite halfway turned up. I'm also running aftermarket exhaust. It is louder than stock, but it's definitely not the loudest exhaust on the market. It's Kiriaka and Crusher slip-ons, and I'm running a decatted stock header. So this is 30 miles an hour on gravel with my visor closed. Volume is just under half now. Just about half. Okay, so here we are back about 30 miles an hour, a little bit different kind of music. Visor on my helmet is closed. This is with the visor open so you can get some wind noise. Again, volume is about halfway up. So that was kind of a sample of what the Soundz Customz audio system sounds like at about 30 miles an hour with a couple different tunes. Again, the Iron 65s and the standard Soundz Customz amp 4.100. Hopefully that helped you guys out. If it did, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see the next video, which will be the higher speed highway sound test, about 55-60 miles an hour, click the video right around here somewhere. Again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, share this video. Thank you so very much. Stay safe out there as always. We'll catch you in the next one from Touring Midwest.